Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, guess what? Where am I right now? Yes, guys, I am in San Francisco, and it is a wonderful city. It is huge like Mumbai, but I'll show you. But it is clean also. I don't know what's wrong with our we Indians, and we don't keep our city clean. I'll show you how clean it is. Well, guys, this is the view of San Francisco near the port. This is the port where we go inside the ship, from where we go inside the ship, this one. Okay, and you can see the city. It is beautiful, it is clean. You see this green strap? This green strap is for cycling only. You cannot run your bike on this or a car, only for cycles. We should also start this to motivate more cyclists. You can see people are going in some electronic motorcycle. What is that? I don't know. It's a very colorful city. You can see Coca-Cola truck. You can see storage coachway. I really want to buy one of these. So you can see the cyclist, you can see the just across the road there is a cyclist, here is a cyclist. Because see, the main thing, they encourage cyclists because they have this proper way for them. In India, we unfortunately we have not yet started, but we should start very soon. This is a very famous tram of San Francisco. And I'm just walking down the street and showing you all the thing which I'm seeing. Well, guys, if you want to take a newspaper, this is the box you can take it. You can see this is for newspaper. I'll show you. Free, take one. So they encourage. There's no newspaper. No newspaper. Yes, there is. See, I can take one, but I don't want it. What is this? Free fisherman wave map. I don't want either. So good facilities. This is some national park visiting your for visiting you. Thank you and all that. So what I'll do is I'll just roam around and I'll even show you what exactly is this. I think I need to buy a ticket. The ticket is for the boat. You can see the at Tanzal cruise over there. So it's for that. Lovely flowers, American flag. Ticket price including. So right now I'm not interested to go on cruise. I just roam around on the street with my friend. Okay. You see people jogging. People really care about their health. There's a group of people coming. So most of them might be cruisers. I mean a tourist. So basically this is a long street which has, this is not a downtown, this is just near to my port where the ship docks. So you won't find much of entertainment over here because it's a commercial area, but still so far it's good. Full bar. Okay, what is this now? Take out, full bar, happy hours. Okay, the butterfly will be, I think it will be a bar because it says wine bar, full bar, something like that. Look at that. Guys, please have a look. Have a look this street. Wow, I mean it's so beautiful. Amazing, amazing. I wish our government also do something and we should also have this kind of a street and facilities available for us. Even we deserve everything. Well guys, I am outside one of the very famous bar and the bar name is Hard Rock Cafe. Yes guys, we also have in Mumbai Hard Rock Cafe and there's a singer, I'll just show you. Sorry. You can see the singer. There's a live. He's singing live. Alright, let's see. Do I want to have a hot dog? No, I don't. So this is a hot dog counter. The open bus. Sorry. So this is mainly a tourist place. You can see a lot of tourists, lot of shops, lot of bars will be there. Like for example, Hard Rock Cafe, only in San Francisco. This is a shop for souvenirs, and this is a whole. I mean, somebody told me we can see sea lions over there. So I'll just take you there. If we are lucky, then even if we'll see, and if I'll see, then I'll show it to you. There's a tour for walrus. Hello. Ooh. An American puppy. So this is another bar, Wipeout Bar and Grills. Oh, that's an iconic picture of that truck, the Volkswagen, I believe. Guys, I cannot tell you how beautiful it is. You can see three girls also talking. Yeah.
These kinds of scared more than your phones.
I don't know. We need to check. Oh, there is a fruit market, the fresh fruit. You can see strawberries, peach pulse, cherries. Look at the size of cherries. I don't know whether it's allowed to eat this or not. Wow. I feel like taking one for myself, but I cannot. This is not India. Golden Gate. Guys, I cannot see a Golden Gate from here. I'm in the city of Golden Gate, where the Golden Gate means a long bridge. This is again a souvenir shop. Swiss chocolates. Do you want to eat chocolates? No, I don't. I don't take more calories. I don't like that. This is a shop belongs to Swiss chocolate. You can see how big it is. My friends want to eat ice cream. You can see the puppy over there. Waffle cones. We're checking the price. Okay, let me show you the price. Okay. So this is the price. It's like for a single waffle cone, It costs 675 double for 8 and triple. And cup is for, so you can check the prices over here. And this is a counter. This is the ice creams. Hello. So I'll just go more further. So this is Nahoku. Nahoku. हमसे ना हो पाए. This is a jewelry shop, guys. Clothing stores. So basically this area, which is made of mostly wooden floors, it belongs to all the shops over here. It's for tourists, for shop, for this like for example, this is magic shop. Okay, this is a magic shop. Now you'll get all the magic stuff over here, the trick cards and everything. Shoes, flip-flop shoes. I'm not in a mood to buy any shoes. City wears. I love that jacket. I always want that jacket, but I'm very sure it will be expensive. And this one, mostly you have seen in American Pie, this kind of a jacket movie. So it's for $26. But not now, I'll take it later on. Sale, 3 t-shirt for $14.95. There's so many jackets. Hey! My favorite people on board.
Hey,
Say hello to India.
hello, hello India.
Say it in Indian accent.
Hello India, and I just come from Pakistan, and oh no, I come from India. Hey, stop paying that. No, he's taking the photograph and sending it home.
I'll catch you later.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Oh.
So well guys, I hope you are enjoying this. I mean, I'm not a blogger kind of a stuff or a tourist, but a lot of people told me when you go outside, please make video. That is why I'm making video. I'm trying my level best. If I'm not able to entertain you, I'm sorry. But what is that? Let me show you. Oh Lord. You can see what she's cooking. It's chicken. This is chicken. She's cooking chicken. Chicken. That's chicken. I'm very sure it won't be tasty. I don't know. I was just checking whether how she's cooking. So, what is this? Stock market. Oh, stock market. I thought it's stock market. Merry-go-round, merry-go-around. So it's starting now. Merry-go-around. So guys, I'll stop this video over here because I think it's just repeating. Guys. Before I go, I want to show you this. You see that gate? That is the Golden Gate. And I'll tell you, it's so beautiful and peaceful over here.